What a beautiful day. I look so forward to these days fishing out here in the intercoastal. But you know what I don't look forward to? I don't look forward to getting into this hot truck. It's hot outside. The inside of that cabin, you know, it's going to be like 100 degrees. So I'm going to have to open the doors and air it out for a little while. But you know what? I teamed up with our friends at Mabett, and they sent me over these really, really cool window vents. And I got to tell you, I'm going to show them to you. I'll show you how easy it is to put them in. And it's a no-brainer, man. Let me show it to you real quick before we install it. Let's put this fishing pole away. Here's the window vent. It goes in the rear windows. It has a nice screen on the inside to protect it. And it has nice vents. And it's very sturdy once it's installed. And you can install it and uninstall it within seconds. So I tell you what, stick around. We'll go back to the garage. I'll show you how to put these in. Show you how these things work. You'll love them. Great idea, Mabett. Great idea. Let's go. Alright guys, we're back at the garage. And let's show you these vents. I'll get you nice up close. You can see they're made out of really sturdy plastic. They look very nice. On the back of them they have this mesh, okay, to keep the bugs out and whatever. And they're just such a great idea. Let me show you how quickly these things go on. You can't do it any easy. There's no screws, there's no nuts, there's no nothing. Right, here we go, look. First thing we're going to do is lower the window. Okay. Bring the window down. And then all you have to do is put the edges inside the window track. So we'll run there, bring it all the way up. And I'll bring the window all the way up. And that's it. So if you're in there and you want to take a nap, you get some ventilation. If it's a hot day out and you leave the car outside like I do, I'm going to keep these on all the time now. Leave the car outside, let it air out, get some of that heat out of there. I personally don't suggest it, especially living down here in Florida where it's real hot. But if you guys live in a cold climate and you have to keep your dog in here for a little while, that's up to you. But that at least got some ventilation going through there. And it's just so nice, and it's so sturdy. See how sturdy it is in there? And then, if you want to take them out, you just put the window down, slide them down, and they slide right out. And that's it. And then you just put them behind your seat or something. This is a stellar idea. It's a lot better, in my opinion, than those little strips that come up down here that you can't really leave open without getting bugs and stuff in there. So like I said, you just place that in there, push it all the way up, bring the window back up, and you have a perfect vent. And if you're driving down the street with the Venturi effect, like you carburetor guys know, with the Venturi effect, it'll suck all the stuff out from inside. So if somebody's smoking in the back, out you'll go. Hot air, out you go. So give my friends Mabett a look. And if this is something that you need, Mabett's always coming up with great ideas, okay, to make our lives a little better.